video we will try to understand the basic difference between the val and the var. So val is a short form for value and the var is the short form of a variable. So the val just stores the value which is immutable, like it cannot be changed, just like a constant, and the var can also store the value, but you can keep on storing different type of values different time. So the val is just kind of a constant variable and the var is just kind of a normal variable. Now here I'm just trying to explain you the basic idea with the help of a code. So first let me create my function main, and since you have seen that this line is not necessary, but I'm just showing you that normally we pass a collection of strings as arrays. So string, and then there we write things like this. Now here if you see the warning given by this IntelliJ IDEA, this is a one weak warning. It's not a strong warning, but after all warning is a warning. So what does it say? It say that remove the parameter args. So now here I removed. Now see, this is a green tick, means everything is perfectly fine. So now here I go and just try to declare a val. So val age, and this will be a type int, and I'm storing the age, that is 35. Now you say that again there is a yellow warning. What does it say? That its age is never used. And one more warning is that explicitly, like when you are directly initializing the value of age as 35, you don't have to make this kind of thing. You can generally write directly age equals 35. Now you see there is no problem, everything. Now the only one warning we say that age is never used. Now say I write print message equals dollar is, and then I write age equal to 29. Suppose the variable age is having second. Now you see the red line warning. What does it say? It say that val cannot be reassigned because it is a constant. Then what should I do? I should declare a variable and then write var weight, which is of a type double. So there I can store weight, that is 78.80, and here I have to put equal sign. Now see, this is the perfect, but what warning you see? It says that weight is never used. That's why no problem, I can use the weight here, and then I can print the weight. Okay, so that warning is gone, but still there is one warning which says that explicitly given, means you don't need to write this one, you can write directly like this. Okay, now you see that here it's saying that the variable is never modified because I initialize the variable weight with the value 78.80, but I am not modifying. So if you are not modifying, then why don't you make it an immutable using val? But this is, I do not want. I will change it, and here I say that w weight equals 81.89. Now you see, so this line I want to print here. Okay, now there you see there is no warning, program is perfectly fine, and then you see that I have reassigned the value 81.89 into the weight again. So weight is behaving like a memory where you can keep on storing different type of values, and that makes it a perfect variable. And the val you cannot change it, so val is immutable and the var is just like a normal variable. Let me run this code, and then there you'll find this is the basic difference between these two. And then here is the output, so it's just perfectly fine. You see it's all are coming in one line. So you can use the function println rather than using just print, and then you will find that they will be displayed one in a line. And this is it for this video. In the next video we'll discuss something better about the if else and the while loop, for loop, and different kind of looping mechanism. Yeah, thank you very much. Just subscribe to the channel. Have a very nice day.